In this video, I'm going to show you how to outline text in Clip Studio Paint. So first, you'll need some text on your canvas. I do have something over here saying hello there, and now we're going to outline this. Now, the first way to do this is as follows. You want to select your text, as in the text layer. You want to go to Window tab up top and click on Advanced Tool Settings. Then you want to go into Text over here, and you can see it says Edge. Now, if you click the check mark next to Edge here, you can select the color you would like your outline to be. For example, if I do like green over here like this, you can see there already is an outline. If I click on OK, and if I change this edge over here, I can also change the thickness of the outline. And there we go. As you can see right now, I've successfully outlined my text. Now that's the first way to do it, and of course, quite an easy one. The second one is just as easy. You can just go ahead and type in your text, for example, like this, but this time I'm actually going to remove this. So of course, I can show you the other way. There we go. And then here you can also click on the layer on the right, and you can click on up top where you can see layer properties. Now, if there's nothing in here, you can go, or of course, if it doesn't exist, you can go to Window up top and click on layer properties here to show them. And then in here, you can find, if you do this arrow down, it's going to say border effects. If you click on this, you can change the thickness of your edges. And here you can also change the color, for example, in red, and you can change the thickness as well. And as you can see here, this is also going to add you an outline to your text. So there's your two ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.